Yes, afternoon, guys. Yeah, let's see what lunch can give us. I'm sorry for posting late. I was still trying to organize my things because it's all thanks to Mr. Quincy. I'm sorry if I'm spelling it wrong. Mr. Quincy, yeah, was able to plug us again, so we'll be able to do today lunch and prediction. During the week I'm busy, so I'll only be able to promise you that I can do lunch. But while I'm still doing lunch, I'll also try to give you strategies for you guys to do for tea. So that if I can't post for tea, because I won't be able to post for tea really. If I don't post for tea, then we'll have an idea of what's going on. So thank you, Mr. Quincy. New subscriber, but he was able to plug us, for the cause that this channel is about. Right? Thank you very much, guys. So yeah, let's see. Yesterday. Right, I'll try to be as quick as possible so that the video can be long, so that you can be able to watch and take your numbers. I'm not gonna be saying much about lunch because I'm not really seeing consistent strategies in terms of it. So we'll try. Alright. Now let's recap yesterday. I talked about 30, 39, 5. Three numbers from yesterday came. 19, I forgot to mention it. This was due to come. I forgot to mention it also, but that's water under the bridge. Okay. Alright. Now let's continue with something. T. I saw a strategy that's been giving us something, but I ignored because they confused us a bit there. Alright. Now let's start with this strategy. It's been giving us bankers and bonus. Alright, we start here. 45 minus 43, the date gave us bonus there for T, and then 9 minus 23 gave us 14 there. Alright, I want you to see the pattern, guys. I want you to see the pattern. Let's start the pattern there. Here. Alright, I want us to start this pattern. Alright, so now we come here. 17 plus the D24 gave us bonus there. Right, and then we come here, 6 plus 24 gives us bonus there. Usually, this happens twice. They give you a bonus for one strategy twice, and then they change after that. Alright, so they gave us bonuses twice, T, both for T. So let's hope they give us a bonus for lunch. Right, so first banker for us is this one, 25 plus, because they added twice here. Right, 25 plus 12 gives us 37. Right, the first possible bonus 37, and the first one can play it as a normal number, plus 6, or you can play it as a bonus for us. Alright, I want you guys to read because I'm not being able to play currently. So yeah, you can get all my money. Alright, so that's the first banker, and then we come to this one. 34 minus 14 gives us 6 there, and then 39 minus 10 gives us 29 there, which is the bonus. Alright, so now we are so now we are here. The second banker, guys, for me, 34 minus 20 gives us 40. I'll tell you why I'm saying the second banker for me. Right? And doing exactly what's been done here, we do the same thing here. So 42 minus 5 gives us 37, coming twice. And if we add, it gives us 47. But still doing it 47. Okay? So 47, the first bank, 14 is the second bank. I'll tell you why. Alright? And I'll show you in numerical order also. Okay.
I'm coming here. 23, 19, 47. Not working. 23, 42. Right. 14 minus 2 gives us a 2. Right? It gives us a 12. Okay? And in numerical order, these numbers are sitting like this. This is just an example in numerical order. So now 20 and 5 are sitting exactly the same way 2 and 14 are sitting in draw order. And in numerical order, they are also sitting exactly in the same position. Right? So 5 is sitting here, 2 is sitting here, 14 is sitting here, 20 is sitting here. So they minus to give us 12 there. So I'm saying now the third banker for me that I can say I trust. Remember I talked about 15 shares, right? Yesterday. So I believe it might come today, right? So for me, I do exactly what's been done here. 20 minus 5 gives us 15. And if you add it to
5 being safe.
but I'm going with 15, guys. 15 is what I'm going with, right? I'm going with 15. Okay, 15 is your first banker.
Remember, we have 37, we have 14, we have 15 now.
And the first 15
Number is back.
Okay, but it doesn't matter.
Anyway.
Alright. So now, where do we go? Where do we go? We come here. 7 minus 17 gives 10. And then 6 plus 23 gives us 29. Right? And 12 plus 27 gives us 39. So your fourth banker for me is this one.
46 minus 19.
Right? 46 minus 19. How much is it gonna be? Let me check
Quickly. 46 minus 19 is 27, I think. Gives us 27. So
27.
might repeat. It's your fourth number for today, guys. Okay.
The fourth number for today is 27. I believe I can try. And then we come to this one. We're starting here. 47 minus 18 gives us 29. Oh, it was lunch to lunch 29. Okay, that's what I believe. And then now 29 minus 41 gives us a 12. Alright, and now possible bonus for me also. Number 2, second possible bonus. 39 minus 29
gives us 10.
10 is the fifth
Number for today. Okay.
It's the fifth number for today. I believe in that 10, I believe it.
May come.
Right, I believe in it. And now we come, let's go here. Because this is what is visible for me at the moment. After 2, I'm sure we'll see something. 34 minus 22 gives us a 12. You see how these numbers are repeating themselves in one strategy, different strategies, I'm sorry. And then we have 39 minus 18 gives us 21 there. Alright, and this is what confused me again. So for 12 minus 20, it's 21. So 21 might repeat. 21 might repeat, guys, okay? 21 might repeat. Or we come here.
5 minus 29, it's 24. And if we add,
it's 34. This is just the number that I'm going to save there, right? Now, remember yesterday I said this number
we're sitting exactly in the same position and they're gonna give us something. So the first number, I believe it's 10. That's gonna come.
Alright, Now 39 in draw order is sitting exactly in the same position, right? Normally when this happens, you look for whatever number here that gives us a number from this 39, right, and minus it with other number, right? So nothing from here that I can see gives okay. So now let's start with this one, 39 and the 8. So 39 minus 25 gives us 14, which makes it my banker, the second serious banker for me. That's the first banker, 14 for me, guys. Alright, let me see the 4, and then I forgot to mention this one again. 39 minus 34 gives us 5. Okay, right, and then 20 minus 39 gives us 19. So same color of numbers gives us something from 39. Right. 34, we missed it. 34 and 20 gives us 2 numbers for T. Right, so let's do exactly the same thing also here. Right, do exactly the same thing here. So 39 minus 5 gives us 34. Alright, and because of this, we do exactly the same with these ones. So 39 minus 42 gives us 3, alright, gives us a 3, and 39 minus 21, this one, whenever you see it, guys, whenever you see this, guys, know that it's a banker for me, right? 21 minus 39 gives us 18, alright, gives us 18, so 18, keep it on the loop, right? Yeah, that's what I saw. What else did I see? I did 14, 49, 45, 43, 29, 40, 17, 38, 44, 18, 12. So let's go from here. 10 plus 7 gives us 17 there. Alright, and 7 plus 33 gave us 40. 43 minus 14 gave us 29. Alright, so this one skipped. So this one, 43 minus 29 gives us 14. And then this one gives us 18. Alright. See the numbers that I'm talking about appear on this. They appear on this. Alright. Okay. Now let's see numerical order quickly, guys. I'm running out of time. Okay. I'm running out of time on this one. On this one, for now, lunch, I was just wanna highlight one thing from this. Okay. Let's start. Where do we start? Where did I see that? It's 23, 30. Right. Let's start with this. This is what I want to highlight for us. 35, 44, 6, 46, 15, 22, 35. Let's do this one. From this one, this is what I want to highlight for now. 33 minus 4 gives us 29 there. Okay? Quick, guys, I want to be quick. And then this one, nothing happened, they skipped. And you come here. 22 plus 4 gives us 27. And minus by 4 gives us 30. Right? So gives us 19. 22 minus 4 gives us 19. And we come here. 34 minus 4 gives us 80. So plus 4 is 28 for today. But we'll see what in the routine. It's not the first time we've seen this. So 34. 39 plus 4 gives us 49. 22, it should be a 34. Alright, if we minus by 4, it gives us 25. Alright guys, so that's what I have for you guys today, and it's not much. I'm not saying much, I don't want to lie to you guys. So also you can include this one